Hey friends, Gary here. Welcome to today's video. So, in the next few weeks, I will revisit Iceland with my wife. Woo! I'm so excited. Oh my god. Finally, we're going back to Iceland. We visited Iceland back in 2022 for our honeymoon, and it was a magical place, and we really want to get back there and just spend some time taking some pictures admiring the beautiful landscape of Iceland. However, photographing Iceland was never easy. The sceneries keep changing. They have waterfalls, mountains, glacier, northern lights. The light keeps changing, the weather keeps changing, so we need to plan carefully and we have to prioritize on camera gear that are agile, responsive, and flexible. So in today's video, I'm going to share my cameras and lenses setup that I will bring on my upcoming trip to Iceland, with priorities on being smaller, lighter, but still pack a lot of punch and being extremely versatile so that I can properly capture all different kinds of sceneries in Iceland. It's no secret that I love micro four thirds cameras and lenses, and I will feature them heavily on this video. And also I will share one secret little hack that you can do to improve your photography experience while you are on the field. Stay tuned for that. Anyway, before I start talking about the beautiful stuff, the interesting stuff, the cameras, the lenses, the filters, all those beautiful jazz, I want to first share about my camera bag, because I think it is also one of the most important thing for travel photography. Choosing the wrong camera bag can really put some problems into your whole travel photography experience. And the bag that I'm using is this guy right here. This is the Alpaka Go Sling 10-liter sling bag. It's a regular bag, not a dedicated camera bag, but I love it so much. Disclaimer, Alpaka used to collaborate with me on the past, and I've been receiving their products for free for reviews, but not on this video. In this video, I'm free to use whatever I want, but I truly love this Alpaka bag. I mean, it's so clean, it's so minimalist, it's so handsome, it is weather resistant. 10-liter I think is the perfect size. I can accommodate all of the cameras and lenses that I need for this particular trip easily. The organization is perfect. I mean, come on, what else do you need from your camera bag? Anyway, if you are interested to learn more about the Alpaka Go Sling bag, I made a review about this particular bag long time ago. You might want to watch that review right there. And also, if you are interested to purchase this bag, I have a discount code on the description down below. Make sure to use it. You'll get some discounts if you decide to purchase this bag or any bag from Alpaka's website. But still, man, this bag is so beautiful. I just love it. It is comfortable to wear for a long period of time. The organization is just perfect, not too much, not too little. And I can still also put some other non-photography related stuffs, my etc stuffs like my passport, wallet, my phones, things like that, power bank into this bag, so that it's not only acting as my photography bag, but also my everyday carry bag when I'm traveling. Anyway, on the beginning of the video, I mentioned that I will share some secret hacks to improve your travel photography experience. Now I will reveal them to you. First hack is how to attach tripod to non-photography bags. So the way I do it is using carabiners. So as you can see right here, I attach a carabiner, a few carabiners on my bag right here, the Alpaka Go Sling, and then I also attach carabiners to my tripods using, a cable ties and some keyring attachment. So now I can just attach my tripod into this bag easily by clipping the carabiners. Second hack is that I'm using an internal divider from my older camera bags that I don't really use and put it inside of this Alpaka Go Sling bag. So now I have some internal organization for my cameras and lenses inside of this bag while adding a little bit of protection. Now let's talk about the more interesting stuffs, the cameras and the lenses. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I will be carrying micro four thirds cameras and lenses for a simple reason, because they are small, they are lightweight, they are very responsive, they are very versatile, but they pack great image quality and also they are very fun to use. For my main photography camera in this trip, it will be this guy right here. This is the Panasonic Lumix G100, a relatively new camera in my collection, but I think this guy will perform really well in Iceland. It is small, it is compact, very lightweight, but it has really nice handling. Look at this front grip right here. It makes handling lenses very comfortable, especially for long period of time. Manual control with this guy is so good. We have multiple control dials. Changing shutter speed, ISO, aperture is so easy with this guy. And also, this is a great hybrid camera. Not only it works well for stills, but also for video because it has this fully articulating screen. If I want to record a little bit of footage of me talking, explaining some things in Iceland, this can do the job pretty well. And also it has the microphone jack, so I can use external microphone to get better sound quality. For the main lens, for my photography needs as well as for video in Iceland, I will be using this guy right here. This is the Panasonic Lumix 14 to 140mm super zoom lens. Not particularly a very interesting lens or an impressive lens, but it will get the job done. I mean, I need to be flexible. I don't want to fumble around changing lenses and missing moments. So things like super zoom right here can really work well in Iceland's environment. For my secondary camera, it will be this guy right here. This is the Panasonic Lumix GX850, or also known as the GF9. It is so small, so lightweight, it has compromises. For example, manual control is not as great as the G100. It only has one control wheel on the rear and there's no grip whatsoever on the front and on the back. So handling larger lenses will definitely be an issue with this guy. But I'm not planning to shoot a lot with this camera. This is just to cover the blind spots of the already versatile super zoom lens, the 14 to 140. On this particular guy, I will be using my Panasonic Leica 9mm f1.7 ultra wide angle lens for capturing that beautiful classical wide landscape shots of the Iceland sceneries, the mountains, the glaciers, the waterfalls. And yeah, the large f1.7 aperture, I think that opens up the possibility for northern lights, aurora shots as well in the evening. So crossing my fingers for that. Also, I will be bringing my backup lenses for this Iceland trip just in case something bad happens to one of my lenses. So I will be bringing both of these cute little guys. This is the kit lens that comes with my G100 and also GX850 and also GX85. The very famous Panasonic Lumix 12 to 32mm f3.5 to f5.6. Very small, very lightweight, general purpose focal lengths that can cover about 70% of what I photograph. And also this guy right here, the mini telephoto Panasonic Lumix 35 to 100mm f4 to f5.6. My favorite mini telephoto lens of all time. So yeah, both of these guys are small, lightweight, but image quality, they don't have any compromise at all. So I will be bringing them just in case. Anyway, if you found this video to be helpful and entertaining, consider supporting my channel by joining my Patreon, where you can get exclusive benefits such as being able to access high resolution photographs that I capture using my cameras and lenses, and also to ask questions for future Q&A sessions with the link right here. It is patreon.com/Gary_W. I'll see you right there. Thank you. Next, while I'm standing here in front of my guitars that I rarely play nowadays, I will share to you my non-micro four thirds cameras that I will bring on this Iceland trip. Most of them will be for video purposes, to record A-roll, to record B-roll, but some of them also for a little bit of specialized still photography purposes. So first camera, it's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This will be my main video camera for the trip. It records beautiful A-roll, it records beautiful B-roll, it already has gimbal on it, so everything is stabilized and just smooth. And also it connects automatically to a wireless microphone for better sound quality. What more do you need from a video camera? So yeah, obviously this guy will be coming with me. Second camera is the DJI Osmo Action 4. This action camera right here. This is for recording POV photography vlogs. So maybe I'm on a location and I want to explain to you my thought process, how I come up with the compositions, camera settings, and actually capturing the images. I will use this guy attached to my chest or something like that, so that you can understand better how I take those pictures. And I will post the POV vlogs on this channel, so make sure you are subscribed. On this guy, I have this Sennheiser MKE200 little shotgun microphone for better audio quality with the DJI Osmo Action 4, and I will also be using the DJI wireless microphone that comes with the Pocket 3 if I need wireless capability. Also, this will be my dedicated underwater still photography camera. Being an action cam, it's submersible in water. And I will also bring my phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Again, this is a communication device, not a dedicated photography device, but it has cameras and it can take some nice pictures and nice videos as well. So this is more for like casual snapshots and recording just a little bit for videos that I can share to my friends and families, and also acting as a backup camera for my Micro Four Thirds as well as my DJI Action and Pocket 3. Next, some other photography accessories that I want to share with you, starting with tripod. This is Ulanzi Ombra. I could not remember the model name of this particular tripod, but it's made from aluminum. It's extremely lightweight, and it's also very easy to set up with this clip lock mechanism. I much prefer this to the twisting mechanism because it's just quicker, easier for me, and yeah, it is stable enough for long exposure photography, that kind of stuff, and also to take pictures of me and my wife standing far away, that sort of stuff. And then the next accessory is my filters right here. They are KNF magnetic filters. Some of them are NDs of different strengths, some of them are circular polarizer, and because they are magnetic, I can just put them on the lens directly using the magnetic adapter. I don't have to screw in the filters. It just saves so much time. It is so convenient. And that wraps up today's video. So that is all for my travel photography, cameras and lenses setup for my upcoming Iceland trip. Hopefully this has been interesting, entertaining, and also useful. Hopefully if you are traveling somewhere in the near future, you can use this video as sort of an inspiration to come up with your own travel photography setup that is very tightly dialed in. Anyway, enough about me. I wanna hear more from you guys. So let's share in the comment down below. I will read your comments. Supposedly you are going to travel soon. What will be your cameras and lenses of choice for your ultimate travel photography setup? Please share on the comment down below. I wanna learn from you guys. Also, if you have any question, please comment down below as well. I will try my best to answer them. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. If you want to support my channel even further, I have a travel photography course ebook called Simplifying Travel Photography. I think you will like it. Link also in the description below. And if you want to watch my everyday life, non-photography stuff, you want to know more about me, I have a second YouTube channel called Gary Daily. Link also in the description if you want to subscribe to that channel. Anyway, thank you very much and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.